Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a CapCut account. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on the Me at the bottom or a profile icon. And after this, you can click on the three lines icon at the top. Click on it. And after this, you can click on the Manage Account. Click on it. And after this, in here you can see this is a delete account button. you can click on it for delete your account. Okay, please waiting. And after this, you can click on the continue and finish. So that's how to delete a CapCut account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.